Welcome back. In Module 2, we use the Asset Intelligence Framework to rank our projects and secure the budget. But here is the hard truth. Securing the money is only half of the battle. Statistics show that nearly 60% of the industrial CAPEX projects fail to deliver their promised ROI within the first 2 years. Why? Because the financial logic used to get the project approved often disappears the moment the contractors arrive on site. We call this ROI leakage. Today, we are talking about project lifecycle financials. I'm going to show you how to manage the transition from capital expense to operational reality so that the value you promised the board actually shows up on your bottom line. In a traditional project, there is a massive wall between the project team and the operations team. The project team wants to finish on time and under budget. The operation team wants a machine that is easy to maintain. Under the Asset Intelligence Framework, we break that wall down. We use a concept called total cost of ownership commissioning. Most on-budget projects are actual failures. If a project manager saves $50,000 by buying a cheaper, non-standard motor, they look at a hero today. But if that motor costs the maintenance department $10,000 a year in extra spare parts and specialized training, the project has leaked its ROI. In the AIF model, the project team is held accountable for the OPEX impact of their decisions. We don't sign off on a project just because it runs. We sign off because it meets the lifecycle cost targets we set in the SAMP. Let's look at hypothetical model of a project gone wrong versus the AIF way. Imagine you are installing a new $5 million high-speed processing equipment. In a standard startup, you have a learning curve. Production starts at 20% and it takes 6 months of tweaking and fixing to get the 90% capacity. Those 6 months of subpar performance are a massive financial drain that most companies just accept as normal. The Asset Intelligence Framework demands a vertical startup. We invest in intelligence before the machine arrives. We use digital twins and virtual commissioning to find the bugs in the software and the bottlenecks in the flow before a single bolt is turned. By the time the physical machine is on the floor, the intelligence layer is already optimized. Instead of a 6-month curve, we aim for full rated capacity in 6 days. The financial difference between those two scenarios is often enough to pay for the entire project. To maintain the integrity of your asset intelligence framework, you have to track 3 hidden financial metrics during execution. Standardization premium. Are we using parts we already stock? If not, the cost of that project just went up by the value of the new inventory we have to carry. Training latency. How long does it take for the crew to become intelligent on this new asset? If the machine sits idle because only one person knows how to reset it, that's leaked ROI. Does the new asset play nice with your existing CMMS and AI agents? If you have to manually enter the data from the new machine, you have just added information latency. The 9th waste, which we discuss on Module 9. Let's look at a model case. A processing plant installs a new filtration system. The project is delivered $200,000 under budget. The board is happy. But to save that money, the team skipped the smart instrumentation package, the sensors that feed the asset intelligence framework. 6 months later, the filters clog prematurely. Because there are no predictive sensors, the system doesn't alert the team until the pressure relief valve blows. The results? 12 hours of unplanned downtime, $80,000 in lost product, and $150,000 emergency repair. In this scenario, The $200,000 saving actually cost the company over $1 million in the first year alone. Under the asset intelligence framework, we would have spent that extra $200,000 on the intelligence upfront, knowing that cheap is the most expensive word in manufacturing. Your homework for today. Look at the last major project completed at your facility. Compare the projected ROI from the board proposal to the actual performance over the last 12 months. Where did the money leak? Was it maintenance cost, downtime, or slow startup? In Module 4, we are going to get into the technical heart of the system, the reliability blueprint. I'm going to show you how to design a maintenance plan that ensures your ROI never leaks again. I will see you there.